Hello students, I hope you all are well at home. Welcome to Maths class. In today's Maths class, we will continue with the chapter Addition of Two-Digit Numbers, which is chapter number 12 in your book. So, let's start addition of two-digit numbers or two-digit addition.
We have already learned that how can we add single digit numbers, but now we are going to learn how to add two digit numbers. So let's do a simple addition without carry. Add 28 plus 61. 8 and 1 are in ones place. Place O stand for ones above the ones column. 2 and 6 are in tens place. So, place T stand for tens above the tens column. When we add any two or more digit numbers, we always start from left side. Means start with ones column. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Write 9 under the ones place. Now we will add 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 you will write under the tens place. Therefore, 28 plus 61 is equal to 89. Another example, 23 plus 45. We have to add 23 plus 45. You can see O represents ones and T represents tens. Now we will add 23 plus 45. First we will add 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 you will write under ones column. After that we will add 2 plus 4. Now 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So 6 we will write under the tens column. Now 23 plus 45 is equal to 68. Here are another example that we will do, and this is addition with carry. We have to add 46 plus 39. You can see I have written O, which represents ones column, and T, which represents tens column. So let's start. We will add 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. You can see in 15 there are two digits, 5 ones and 1 10. So 5 you will write in ones column, and what is left? 1 is left. So 1 you will write for carry. So you will write 1 in tens column. Now we will add 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And at last we have to add this carry also. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 1 carry 8. So you will write 8 under the tens column. Now 46 plus 39 is equal to 85. Another example. Here we have to add 65 plus 16. First we will add 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. In 11 also there are two digits, 1 1 and 1 10. So 1 you will write under the ones column, and what is left? 1 is left, so 1 you will write for carry. Now again we will add 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and 1 carry also we have to add. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 and 1 is equal to 8. So 65 plus 16 is equal to 81. Now we will do word problem. We will call these word problems as addition stories. These stories give us some information. Then they ask us to find something. We have to understand clearly what the information given is and what we have to find out. After that, we have to find the answer. Remember, when the words in all together and totally come in the story, then we have to add the numbers given in the information. Now, we will understand word problems with the help of some examples. Example number 1. Wasim had 25 marbles. He won 13 more while playing today. How many marbles does he have now? Now we will solve this. You can see Wasim had 25 marbles. 13 more he won while playing. Now we will write 25 plus 13 and we will start addition. First we will add 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. After that we will add 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 25 plus 13 is equal to 38. Now you can say that 38 marbles Wasim have now. Next example. There were 24 cows and 28 buffaloes grazing in a pasture. What was the total number of cattle there? You can see here the word total is given. It means we have to do addition. We have to add these numbers. To find out total number of cattle, we have to add these two numbers 24 plus 28. So let's start. First we will add 4 plus 8. You all are knowing that we should always start from one side. So 4 and 8 we will add. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Now 2 is ones, so you will write 2 in ones column, and 1 you will write for carry. After that you will add 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 1 carry 5. You will write 5 under the tens column. So 24 plus 28 is equal to 52. Answer is 52 kettles are there. Now, you all are knowing how to do addition and word problem. So, I hope you all have understood this chapter. So, after explanation, we will complete copy work. Take your scale and draw two lines margin. Right side write classwork and left side you have to write date. After that, lesson 12 and name of the lesson, addition of two-digit numbers. Question number 1, add them without carrying. As you can see how I have written, you have to draw the boxes, and inside the box you will write all the numbers and you will add. Next page. Question number 2. Add them with carrying. Here also you have to make boxes, and inside the box you will write the numbers and then you will add them. So first you can see I have written 1. T represents tens and O represents ones. So you will add 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 I have written here and 1 carry. After that 3 and 1 4 and 1 carry 5. So answer is 52. So in the same way you will also complete your copy. Understood? Neatly you will complete your copy and you will draw line after each and every answer. I hope you all have understood this chapter and how you will write in your copy. This also you have understood. So write it properly. Thank you.